Welcome back to Day 1 French, episode 10 of 20. I'm Louis, and yes, that number means you're halfway.
And I'm Claire. Week 2 finale, sport. It closes every bulletin and fills every Monday paper.
Today's sentence, real new speed.
L'équipe de France joue ce soir devant 80,000 supporters. Here it is, one more time, slowly. L'équipe de France joue ce soir devant 80,000 supporters.
The team first, and French names its national side beautifully, literally the team of France. Claire?
L'équipe de France.
Your turn, don't rush it, let the apostrophe do the gliding.
L'équipe de France. And the nickname the whole country actually uses, the blues for the blue shirts. Listen, les bleus.
And what does the team do? It plays.
L'équipe joue.
Now you, the team, plays.
L'équipe joue.
To play, run it through the engine you've owned since episode 2. Claire.
Je joue, tu joues, elle joue. And here's the joke. Those three are spelled differently, but they sound exactly the same. The endings are silent. Episode 1's silent letters, still running the show. The noun in the family, the game, the match, French borrowed straight from English. Le match. Le match.
When? Tonight, which in French is literally this evening.
Ce soir.
Your turn, repeat after Claire.
Ce soir.
And now the crowd. Remember episode 4, when 80 was terrifying? 4 20s we said, 60-10. You stared into the abyss of French numbers. Well, victory lap. Here comes 80,000.
Quatre-vingt mille.
420,000, and you just decoded it without breaking a sweat. That's what 6 episodes of French do to a person.
In front of 80,000 fans, devant 80,000 supporters,
Say the crowd phrase after her.
devant 80,000 supporters.
Did you notice the last word of the sentence? Supporters. Football came to France from England and left some vocabulary behind. The match and the supporters both crossed the channel with it and picked up French accents on arrival.
But the most French word in football is the goal and the commentator's cry that goes with it. Le but. But! That long rolling cry is the sound of French football itself.
2 verbs to finish the kit, to win, to lose. Your turn after Claire, both of them.
Gagner, perdre. Gagner, perdre. And the happy headline for the morning after. Les Bleus gagnent le match.
From the top. Claire, slowly.
L'équipe de France joue ce soir devant 80,000 supporters.
The French national team plays tonight in front of 80,000 fans. Real speed.
L'équipe de France joue ce soir devant 80,000 supporters. Your turn, the whole thing, out loud, 420s and all. Repeat after me. L'équipe de France joue ce soir devant 80,000 supporters. Très bien.
Halfway. 2 weeks, 10 sentences, and you now hold the 5 big news domains. Politics, weather, transport, money, and sport. Take a second. That was you speaking French out loud 10 days in a row.
Today's sheet at LinguaWire.com/day1 completes the set with the full sport kit, and the 10-minute homework locks it in. This weekend, revise the week 2 sheets and keep that homework streak alive. Half an hour, that's all it takes.
And since we're at the halfway line, one small favor. A rating in your podcast app is the number one thing that helps other people discover this show. Any feedback for us, there's a link at the bottom of the LinguaWire website.
Next week, we shift gears from naming the world to describing what it does. Verbs, time, and questions. All of it training for where this is heading. LinguaWire A1 Daily French News. Real news in easy French, every day. Lundi, le ministre dit le pain et le lait sont plus chers.
Monday, the minister speaks and breakfast gets expensive. See you then.
À lundi,